ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, तू है
Does it
You know,
मेरी
require
Jitu,
kind of emotional preparation as well?
I think it's very important to center yourself in whatever way, whatever helps you, to each his own. Either I am someone who prays a lot, but I also work with a healer. So you could maybe develop your own method of staying calm. So, whether it's meditation or yoga, listening to music, or talking to a healer or a counselor or a therapist, or just talking to family or friends, you need to address it, or maybe give it vent through writing, maybe record what you're going through and then delete it. Just get it out of your system, because it is difficult to face rejection. And then when it's, you know, especially as actors, we are very fragile because we're constantly playing with our emotions.
Right.
And then when you face rejection, I think it's that much tougher.
I can
So
imagine.
I think it's very important to deal with it and not shy away from it.
Also,
Seek
you
help.
said, sorry. Also, you said you absorb a lot of, you observe and you absorb. So, is it easy to release the emotions that you've now, imbibed, and after the scene has been shot?
So,
Does it take you?
over time, Jitu, I have learned how to do it. Previously, I would get affected. I would sometimes fall sick after a very emotional scene, uh, or a scene where I had to get very angry, or sometimes I would fall sick. I would come down with a fever
That's
or body
extreme.
ache or something like that. It was just exhaustion, fatigue, and there's release, right? It's like going through a detox program. When you release something, you fall sick. So that would happen to me often. Now with experience, I have learned to protect myself, to breathe, to just breathe, to realize that this is my work, this is not me. This is a scene I've done, you know as so and so character. Now I go back home and I'm Vidya. I don't consciously think this, but I think that shift has happened.
Because the kind of characters you play are so intense. So, I'm sure it throws
Yeah,
up
yeah.
extreme reactions within you. Also.
Yeah. I'm telling you, I used to fall sick after every film previously.
My
My
God.
parents would say, क्या हो जाता है शूट के वक्त तो ठीक रहती हूँ, शूट से आने के बाद. But also because when you're shooting, you don't want to fall sick and then stall the shoot or anything. You're holding yourself together. एक बार वो shoot खत्म हुआ कि everything just. But there is so much. It's like this, no? When you're going through any, for example, you go to one of these wellness resorts, and when you do the treatments, they ask you to rest it out. So all I feel acting is very healing. You know, there are parts of you.
Interesting.
I hope I'm not confusing you all by saying this. Is it making sense?
No,
Yes,
ma'am,
yes,
this
of
is
course.
so relatable.
Okay,
And
great.
I can quite imagine it must be so much more intense for you, because sometimes even if we
Just a
come
second.
after watching a very intense film, I sort of carry that with me, and
Yeah,
sometimes I'm like
exactly.
relating to the protagonist or something. I'm like, what if I was in this situation? And it plays over your head. So
Right. But
it's
during the dirty picture when I fell sick, Nasir Saab told me, and I'll never forget this. He said, literally, like the equivalent in English, he sent me a message which said, Jaan hai to jahan hai. So if you keep yourself healthy, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. पर अगर हेल्थ एक बार अफेक्ट होने लगती है ना, तो फिर
that's
सब
true. That's absolutely
खत्म
true.
है.
I want to
Yeah,
add something here,
yeah,
Vidya. We were interviewing,
yeah.
Jitu and I were interviewing Dilip Kumar once, and he said
Uh-huh.
that after he did Devdas and a lot of tragedies, then his counselor told him, if you keep doing this, you'll go insane. So
Yeah,
now you do some comedies. So he did Azad, Kohinoor, and lighter films. So
yeah.
actually, once you get into this field, you learn so much about yourself also.
Yeah, I think it is. That's why I call it healing, I think acting is healing. You take on another person's life and go through that person's life, but actually, I think in some way it heals some part of you when you're enacting a scene. You know,
Why did
because
you-
all of us have issues, all of us are damaged in some way or the other.
Yes, true.
You know, we have emotional baggage.
Yeah.
So I think knowingly, unknowingly, we also choose films that speak to us, that, you know, that really probably, I feel that every film has given me an opportunity to heal some part of me. Sometimes it was a conscious decision, sometimes I wasn't even aware why I got drawn to a particular film. After doing the film, I realized, oh, acha, isliye.
So, I just wanted to share one incident. There's a lot of commonalities between actors and journalists. Like you must be trying to be different from other actresses, or you're naturally different, whatever it is. So, as a journalist, when we used to go to the same party, now we knew everybody is going to write about it.
Yeah.
So what do you do? How do you make it different? So
Yeah.
I went to one party and I was standing there, and Raj Kapoor came and he was walking with his wife Krishna. And Krishna told him below the breath, and I was just near there. एक और कदम उठाओगे तो पानी में पूल में गिर जाओगे. So I went and wrote that. So that stood out from the other people.
Arre
Other people
wah.
said so and so, so and so, so and so attended the party. I think observing, like you said, is very essential.
Yeah.
Like
For
even at the
anything
airport,
we
I
do
don't
in
look
life,
at the
that's
TV.
so
I
true.
look at the people who are watching the TV.
Yeah, correct.
That's so.
Like
And you
I keep
already
saying,
answered Kajal. Sorry.
you know, Dinesh, when I go to restaurants,
Yeah.
Siddharth always teases me. He says, listen to me. You're listening to what's happening on the neighboring table.
Dad, this is the same problem my mother used to have with my father.
But
Same
really
problem.
amazing.
So you've already answered Kajal's question. Her question was about this only. How do you motivate yourself when you're down and out? So I
Right,
think you
right.
answered it quite elaborately. And Deenu Yadav wants to know, how did you feel about playing a sensuous Silk Smita in the Dirty Picture? It was a clear departure from your usual roles.
Yeah, I loved it. I thought it was liberating. It freed me. तब तक मैं थोड़ी सी, you know, सहमी हुई सी थी. एक वो अच्छाई की इमेज में ट्रैप थी, पर उसके बाद जो
Liberate हो गई.
it freed me. I enjoyed it. That made me so comfortable in my body. You know, the Dirty Picture was special at so many levels.
Yes. But did they hesitate to approach you to begin with?
No, not at all. Milan Luthria approached me. And I actually took some time because I wasn't sure, you know, I didn't like the fact that she committed suicide at the end of it. But the fact is that she did commit suicide. Now that is the truth of her life because it's a real person, right? So I was not sure I wanted that end. So I took a while, and then in the meantime, Milan and Rajat worked on a draft, and he came back to meet me. And when he came back to meet me, the things he told just made me feel like I want to play this character. And he said, you know, therefore at the end of the film, when you see it doesn't end on a low note of suicide. It ends on a high note where Imran Hashmi says, "Wahan bhi, you know, matlab मजे कर रही होगी." She must be entertaining people even in heaven.
Right.
So, you know, that's, I think Milan told me, he said, even I don't want the audience to feel hopeless at the end of the film. So we will give it this sort of end. So that was my only problem actually when he approached me with the film. I was dying to play the character, but I didn't want that end. But once he gave it this end, I was okay with it.
But you gave a no holds barred performance. You went all out. You didn't say कि ये scene मैं नहीं करूँगी.
नहीं.
So once you
Because
take a role, do you just let yourself at the director's mercy? Not mercy exactly, is not the right
but
word.
therefore, I don't say yes immediately. Unless I'm fully convinced about every line written in the film, I don't say yes.
But I was very fortunate. You said yes to my haiku immediately. And though we had not met also.
Yeah, that's true, but I loved it.
You.
I loved it. Yeah.
Okay, Sandeep, Vansh. Sandeep, now tell me your Vansh or Chatterjee once and for all. Where is he? He's not here.
Not here.
Okay. He says, what is a more challenging role? One in which you draw on your personal experiences, or one that you play totally from your imagination?
I don't think it's possible to do either or.
Acha.
You always draw from your experiences and add imagination to it. So, I don't think for any role, whether real or fictional, it's important to rely only on one.
Right.
I find every role equally easy or difficult, because sometimes the simplest moments in a film can be very, very tough.
ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, तू है मेरी फैंटेसी, छूना ना